Hey, thank you for viewing our video and our eBay listings, if that's how you found us. I am eBay seller Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about a Kenmore model 1301. This is an all-steel model, no plastic parts or gears inside. This machine weighs 30-plus pounds as it sits. It's a very good, reliable machine. It is a basic straight stitch, zigzag, and blind stitch. You can do creative embroidery also because your stitch width is spring-loaded and easy to use. Tabletop ready, freshly serviced, ready to go. It's a tall shank machine. It uses basic screw-on tall shank feet and accessories. It uses class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles, both of which can be purchased at Walmart, Hancock, Joann, or a basic sewing supply store. Nothing expensive needed to use or maintain this machine. This machine is a tank. That's the only way I can describe it, is it's a tank. And I'm going to show you it's a tank in just a minute because I'm going to sew some leather and I'm going to sew some denim, a denim pocket through multiple layers of seams. It's just a beast. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to start out with just a regular fabric sample here so you can hear it run. Smooth machine. Switch over to a zigzag. The noise you hear is the bobbin working back and forth. And for creative embroidery, what we do, pull our width in or length in really tight, and you can just widen out and narrow your width as you sew. And that's how you make creative embroidery patterns, and you're pretty much limited by your imagination. There's my creative embroidery, zigzag, straight, perfect balanced stitch no matter what I did. One thing I love about a Kenmore is you never really need to mess with the tension. The tension is always really consistent and balanced, unless of course you go from leather to satin or something like that. Then of course you're going to require a little adjustment. And as with any other Kenmore, it has phenomenal clearance under the foot. There's 6/4 with room to spare. That's kind of a universal way to show that. Now I'm going to move over here to 10 layers of cotton poly blend. I'm using a size 16 needle. Oops. Can't keep my foot on the pedal. Perfect stitch. 10 layers of cotton blend. Next we're going to do some fabric upholstery with a backing, like 6 layers. Pull that through nicely. You will get the fabric samples with the machine. This is a jeans pocket folded in half. As you can see, it still has all the seams. And this is actually 2 seams together, so it's like major layers. And we're going to blast right through it. And I'm going to do it again. Ouch. See that? Right over all the seams without a problem on a denim jeans pocket. How about 4 layers of leather? This is medium grade leather, not sure of the ounce weight. Raw leather. Of course, if you're going to do leather work often, you might want to invest in a walking foot attachment, only because it helps the feed dogs and the motor pull the sticky fabric through. It's less stress on your motor. Whoops. Helps put the foot down. 4 layers of leather underneath, smooth as can be. Beautiful. I'm going to loosen up my foot tension, foot pressure, and we're going to sew 2 layers of chiffon. Delicate, delicate chiffon. Very nice. That is the Kenmore model 1301.